Hey there, guys. Are you ready to experience the ultimate in home entertainment? I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the LG 65-inch Class OLED TV, and let me tell you, this thing is a beast. First off, let's talk about what makes it tick. This TV boasts an impressive 12 years of perfecting award-winning OLED technology. But what does that mean for you? Simply put, it means you'll get the most incredible picture quality with perfect blacks and perfect colors, even in bright rooms. That's right, folks, this TV can handle anything you throw at it. Now, let's dive into some of its standout features. One of my personal favorites is the brightness booster technology. It's like a magic trick that makes every detail pop on the screen. But what does brightness booster actually mean? Well, think of it like this. Imagine you're watching your favorite sports game with friends and family. The brightness booster ensures that the action never gets washed out, no matter how bright the room is. Another feature I love is Bright Room Ready, a certification from UL for discomfort glare-free, UGR less than 22. That's like getting a guarantee that this TV will perform flawlessly in any lighting situation. Whether you're watching a rom-com or your favorite action movie, you can trust that the picture quality won't be compromised. Now, let's talk about the brains behind the operation, the Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 8. This thing is like having your own personal butler for your TV. It adjusts everything to suit your viewing preferences. It's got AI Super Upscaling technology, which means it can automatically enhance picture quality no matter what you're watching. Whether you're binge watching your favorite show or playing the latest sports game, this processor has got you covered. We also have perfect black and perfect color, two features that work together to create an incredible viewing experience. You see, when a pixel is lit, it can be distracting, but not on this TV. With over 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels, the picture quality is simply stunning. And let's not forget about Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. These are like having your own personal movie theater at home. But what really sets this TV apart is its ultimate gaming capabilities. We're talking about a 0.1 milliseconds response time and up to 144 Hz refresh rate, which means you'll be able to game at lightning-fast speeds without any blurring or tearing. And with NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR, you can rest assured that your gaming experience will be silky smooth. Last but not least, we have the webOS 25 platform, the latest and greatest from LG. It's like having a personal concierge for your TV. It helps you search less and stream more. And with its art gallery mode, you can turn this TV into a stunning piece of art in your living room. So there you have it, guys, my review of the incredible LG 65-inch Class OLED TV. With its unbeatable picture quality, cutting-edge features, and sleek design, this TV is sure to be the centerpiece of any home entertainment setup. And the best part? It's available now at an unbeatable price. Check out the link below to get your hands on one. Trust me, you won't regret it.